Okay, so this is the Samsung Fold 2, and this is my audio system for my car. This is the Samsung S20 Ultra. So when I got this, I did the smart switch to convert everything, copy over everything from this to here. So interesting is with audio setup. With audio, if you look, the Galaxy S20 Ultra was actually over here, and I deleted that, and I was basically adding a new one, thinking, okay, the Fold 2 should be I need to add the phone to it. However, I added this in. I connected it, and it actually came in as a S20 Ultra. So whatever settings it had on the old phone, it's now set up as this, and it's working great. I mean, oops. So so you can hear it. It's working fine. It's going through the Bluetooth audio, and I'm just gonna have to figure out and probably change the name for that. But there you go. It's working. So basically, I did an edit. I changed it to Galaxy Fold 2. I know I'm not creative on the naming, but does it really matter? It's working. That's all I care about.